Okay, so first we're going to talk about writing equations of lines for horizontal and vertical. Those are the easiest two to deal with, so that's why we're going to start with those. So we have to remember things. Thing one, horizontal lines have a slope of 0, okay? And their slope is 0 because they run horizontally, they run left to right, but they don't rise, okay? When you rise, that gives you that diagonal line. So the slope is going to be 0. If the slope is 0, that means they're only going to touch the y-axis. So their equation is y equals whatever the number is where they touch that y-axis. Then you have a vertical line. A vertical line runs up and down, but it doesn't go left to right, so its slope is undefined. And because its slope is undefined, it only touches the y-axis, which means it only has x equals the number. So when I look at these two graphs that I have on the slide, the first one on the left is a vertical line because it only touches the x-axis. So if I was going to write the equation of this line, I would look at the point where it crosses the x-axis. And if you see that point, it should be at positive 2. Since it crosses at positive 2, that's what your equation is. X equals 2. That's it. That's all you have to write. Nothing further. Okay? Easy. So now let's look at the horizontal line. The horizontal line touches the y-axis only, and if you look at where it touches at -1. So since it touches at -1, the equation is going to be y equals -1, and that's it. So writing equations of lines for horizontal and vertical are that basic and that simple. You have either x equals whatever number it touches the x-axis, or you have y equals whatever number touches the y-axis. That's all you have to do, nothing extra, okay? All right, come back and we're going to graph those hard ones. We're going to write those equations of the diagonal ones, which are a little more complicated. See you back in a minute.